What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and today you can probably tell that I'm struggling to talk because Operation Get the Bag and Pinch My Teeth is in full effect. Y'all got these Invisaligns in, and so I forgot to take them out before I hit record. I'm just gonna keep rolling anyway. But today I'm gonna talk about the fact that I might go bankrupt. Okay, and I don't say this because I'm struggling in a financial bind right now. I say this because this is a mindset that I had since I started entrepreneurship, right? And so today I want to share with you why I have that mindset and why you might want to adopt the same mindset. So let's do the intro, then I'm gonna jump right into it.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. Don't flash it for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
So what's up, y'all? I just want to be transparent and let y'all know I might lose everything. I might go bankrupt. My cars might get repoed. I might foreclose on my property. I might have to sell everything I own. Ain't no telling what could happen. You know what I mean? But that's the mindset that I came in this thing with. You know what I mean? And I'm not saying that I'm on the verge of any of those things. What I'm saying is that's the mindset that I put in place before I got into this entrepreneur journey. See, once I quit my job, I understood that all that security was over. And that's the way that you got to approach this thing. So that way, no matter what happens as you're trying to grow and build your business, it won't bother you. You know what I mean? It won't bother you as much because you prepared yourself from the beginning for that. You know what I mean? So say, for example, that maybe you can't pay your bills this month because you got to make payroll. And now you got creditors calling your phone, blowing your phone up, letters coming in with the red notices on them, and they threatening to turn your lights off or whatever the case may be. But guess what? You can still persevere through it if you prepare yourself from the very beginning that that's what might just happen. That's how you got to be with this thing, all right? Because that's what it's gonna take. That's what it takes sometime when you come from nothing and you trying to build your way from the bottom all the way to the top, and you ain't getting no loans. You ain't got extra cash on debt. You know what I mean? That's what it's going to take. You got to fight through those late payment notices. You know what I mean? That is inevitable to happen if you're trying to grow that business from the ground up because it costs to grow. All right? And that's just how it's going to be sometimes. You ever look at people like Tyler Perry, Steve Harvey, who were homeless, and they went through so many things, divorces, and just all type of hardships. You see that story over and over and over again. And it's simply because that's usually what it takes. You got to be willing to risk it all and to possibly lose it all and accept that and still keep going forward. That's why a lot of people don't chase this journey. That's why a lot of people don't take the entrepreneurial route, because they don't have what it takes and they understand that. They're not willing to give up that car they love so much. They're not willing to give up that life that they love so much. They're not willing to give up some vacations. You know what I mean? They're not willing to give up nice clothes and nice shoes. They're not willing to give up that reputation that they already prepared for themselves. You got to be willing to risk all of that. And if you're trying to go for the greatest of the great, the highest of the high, you know what I mean? You got to be willing to lose what you have now to get there. So, quick and simple this morning, y'all. That's my tip for the day. Be willing to lose everything you have now to get everything you want. That's it. Be willing to lose it all just so you can gain it all. See, what you have, you think is everything. You think you have something right now, but it's not. It's nothing in comparison to what you really want the most. You need to go after what you want. Figure out what you want the most and go after that relentlessly. I'm telling you, you're going to hear me repeat that message because that's really just the secret. That's the truth. You know what I mean? That's what Think and Grow Rich teach you about. Napoleon Hill teaches you about. You got to figure out what you want the most. Create a burning desire for that and go for that relentlessly, man. And if that means sacrificing everything that you already worked hard to get and obtain, then so be it, because that's what you want the most. You know what I mean? It's easy to be good. You can easily be mediocre. You know what I mean? It's nothing to go to college, save up, invest in IRAs, and invest for the long term, mutual funds, don't take risks, and live happily ever after in the middle class. It's really not that easy. That's just being good. It's okay. That's just being good. But if you want to be great, you got to be willing to say fuck all of that. I'll lose all of that. I'll risk all of that. And if you're lucky, you might not even have to lose it and still get there. But you got to be willing to lose it and be okay with that in order to get to where you're trying to go to. So that's my word for the day, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. It's AJ Simmons, y'all. And
thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it. Let's go.